Hey, good evening, everybody. David here at Scale Models Midwest in Altoona, Iowa. Hope you had a great week. I just wanted to show you a quick little video. Henry and Edward and I got together after martial arts class this afternoon and started building their kit. This is the second Revell Super Hornet A-18E, and they are super stoked to be building this kit. As you can see, we've already started working on the sub-assemblies using some of the lessons I learned from the kit as I build it. In order to prepare everything for paint, I said to the two that we're going to put together sub-assemblies and show them how to sand it, show them how to cut the sprues close using the little nippers that I bought for them, and then how to put the things that are going to be painted the same color together so that when they're ready to paint, you don't have to worry about gluing painted pieces to other painted pieces and possibly ruining the paint job. So they're really excited about this. We spent about an hour on the kit tonight. As you can see, we got part of the nose piece together. We got the cockpit seat in place. We started putting together the wheels as well, and some of the under pieces to the wingtips. And the next time we're together, which will be next Saturday, because we're going to a birthday party one day, and then they've got church camp next week. So next Saturday when we get together, we'll spend about another hour, hour and a half to put together some more of the sub-assemblies and then get everything ready to paint. So they're really excited about this, and stick around. This is something that's really cool. I hope it inspires you to get out there and build a kit with a kid as well. So yeah, I'm excited. They're actually building this kit, and I'm just along for the ride. So have a great day. We'll catch you on the next video.